So good evening students, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss from HS first year syllabus the systems of accounting. So now what are the systems of accounting? It is single entry system of accounting and double entry system of accounting. So in single entry system of accounting, what is done is each transaction is recorded only once in a journal, but in double entry system it is recorded twice. Or there are two aspects of recording transactions. One is debit, another one is credit. And debit side total, credit side total should be equal. So here you just see single entry system of accounting. In single entry system of accounting, each transaction is recorded only once in a journal. A journal, that is books of account, has to be prepared, in every business. So where only one time the transactions are recorded, that is single entry system of accounting. As for example, balance of cash in hand, suppose it is 5,000. Then rent paid, it is deducted, so it is 3,000. Interest earned, it is added up, 1,000. So what is the balance of cash in hand at the end? It is 3,000. So you see, only one time the transactions are recorded in the journal. So it is said single entry system of accounting. Now in case of double entry system of accounting, you see these transactions only are recorded, or you can say has two aspects. One debit aspect, another one is credit aspect. So first you see, cash, introduced into the business or cash in hand, cash account debited to capital account. This journal will pass, yes or no? When we have cash in our hand, we write cash account debited, asset increases, and at the same time capital increases, so to capital account. You see debit credit equal 5,000, 5,000. Similarly, you see rent account debited to cash account for rent paid. So two aspects, one debit, one credit. So it is double entry system of accounting. Then you see interest earned. So cash account is debited to interest account. So debit side, credit side equal, two aspects. So it is double entry system of accounting. You see what I have written in double entry system of accounting? In double entry system of accounting, each transaction has two aspects, one debit and one credit, and both debit and credit side must be equal. Debit and credit must be equal. So you have understood what is single entry. Only one time the transaction is recorded. Whereas in double entry, there are two aspects. One is debit and the one is credit. So hope you have understood what is single entry and double entry system of accounting. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for today.